welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas on Wide World of Wendy. Today we're going to take that recipe that we made a few days ago for fudge and we're going to turn it into something so fancy it can fool your friends. And this is no stress truffles. Yummy. They look store-bought, but they are not. They are made with love. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to be honest, these do take a little time to roll out. So this is the perfect girls' night activity. Got my girls. Start with a batch of my easy 5-minute fudge. Chocolate or peanut butter, both work. You'll want it nice and chilled because cold fudge is easier to shape. You can use a spoon, but if you're feeling extra, grab a melon baller. Either way, we're going to scoop and roll. Just like that, a perfect little truffle. No stress, no perfection required. Now here's the fun part, the decoration station. You're going to roll your truffles in anything for a classic rich look. Go full North Pole, sparkle with Christmas sprinkles and colored sugars. Chopped nuts, gorgeous. Shredded coconut, snowy and cute. Basically, if it sticks to chocolate, it's fair game. Think of this as arts and crafts you eat. So pour something sparkly, turn on a Christmas movie, and roll your way to edible happiness. Cheers, girls.
Cheers.
Once they've set up, tuck your truffles into a tin with a few pieces of fudge, and maybe even toss in a store-bought cookie or two. It's a perfect mix of homemade and I know my limits. And honestly, that combo tastes like love. Great for neighbors, teachers, or that one friend who doesn't bake but will totally take the credit. Zero stress, all the fun, and you end up with dozens of delicious little bites. These no-stress truffles prove that holiday fancy doesn't have to mean hard. A little chocolate, a little sparkle, a lot of sunshine. So go ahead, make it fun, make it fancy, make it a girls' night, because that's what makes it sweet.